Hi, I'm Louise. Let me introduce you to the Neff N70 Flex Induction Hob with Twist Touch, where design meets function for real home cooks. From everyday meals to dinner party showstoppers, this hob is designed to handle it all. Our double flex induction zones adapt to any pan, pot or plan you have, enabling you to get creative and cook your way. Move your cookware freely and the heat will follow, whether you're using several pans or larger pans and griddles. Meanwhile, the extended frying sensor will maintain whatever temperature you choose, preventing you from overcooking or scorching your ingredients. This means all your meals will be cooked to perfection, even those delicate dishes. When steam rises, the hob automatically activates the cooker hood, so you can enjoy the freedom to create delicious flavors while the ventilation takes care of itself. The Twist Touch controls help you activate multiple zones all at once. Whether you're simmering or searing, your power levels are only ever a touch away. And with the Home Connect app, you can save your favorite recipes, set timers, and even pause your cooking. Or use it to connect your hob and hood and operate them remotely for effortless results. In the end, it's about cooking that feels as good as it looks. The Neff N70 Flex Induction Hob with Twist Touch is flexible, intelligent, and ready when you are.